Hi, I'm the Grand Table. If you are from South India, then I'm sure you are familiar with me. I'm the Grand Table, the most awaited guest in every Muslim wedding. I'm the Grand Table, and I'm designed and prepared for the most important, closest, and the most selected members of the bride or the groom's families. I'm the Grand Table. I'm very beautifully decorated with flowers, lights, scented candles, lanterns, special crockery, and not to forget the dry ice smoke. I'm the Grand Table, decorated with a variety of dishes: roasted lambs, grilled ducks, barbecue chickens, and a large number of desserts and juices. Yes, I am the Grand Table. I feel so special and also very sad. I feel sad because my fellow tables who serve the regular guests are neither treated specially nor do they carry this wonderful variety of dishes on their back. I feel sad and disappointed with this discrimination. Why do the people at the grand table think that they are more special than the guests that they themselves have invited? Is this the teaching of Islam? Didn't our Prophet ﷺ say, "Whoever believes in Allah and the last day should serve his guests generously"? He also said, "Let the believer in Allah and the day of judgment honor his guest." Instead of honoring them, these people are disgracing their guests by showing them that they are of less value and importance. Yes, I am the grand table, and I have also seen that in some weddings, when there is shortage of food, the other guests return without eating, and later they fill me with all kinds of varieties of food that they have saved just for me. Yes, sadly, I am the grand table, and I really feel disgusted. Please stop this discrimination. I do not want to be the grand table. I just want to be like my other friends, serving the guests with love, respect, dignity, and honor. Thank you.